Curb appeal is one of the most important factors in how a home is perceived. It shapes first impressions, influences property value, and reflects the care a homeowner puts into their space. One of the most effective ways to enhance curb appeal is through custom window design. Across Baltimore neighborhoods, homeowners are turning to customized window solutions to elevate exterior appearance while improving comfort and functionality. Why custom windows make a visual difference? Standard windows serve a purpose, but custom windows are designed to enhance a home's unique character. By tailoring size, shape, style, and finish, custom windows create a cohesive exterior that feels intentional rather than generic. In Baltimore neighborhoods with diverse architectural styles, custom window designs allow homeowners to highlight their home's personality while maintaining visual harmony with surrounding properties. Matching window styles to home architecture. Every home has its own architectural identity. Custom windows can be designed to complement traditional, historic, or modern exteriors without clashing with existing features. Whether a home has classic lines or a contemporary facade, the right window style enhances balance and proportion. Baltimore homeowners benefit from window designs that respect architectural details while providing a refreshed, updated appearance. Enhancing symmetry and visual balance. Symmetry plays a major role in curb appeal. Custom window layouts allow homeowners to align window placement and sizing for a more balanced exterior. This visual consistency creates a polished look that draws attention in a positive way. Across Baltimore neighborhoods, homes with well-proportioned windows often appear more refined and inviting. Frame colors and finishes that stand out. Custom window designs offer a wide range of frame colors and finishes that can dramatically impact curb appeal. Dark frames can create bold contrast, while lighter tones provide a clean, timeless look. Textured or matte finishes add depth and sophistication. Baltimore homeowners can choose finishes that complement siding, brickwork, or trim, creating a cohesive exterior design. Unique shapes that add character. Custom windows aren't limited to standard rectangles. Arched, bay, bow, and specialty-shaped windows add architectural interest and depth. These unique designs break up flat exterior surfaces and create eye-catching focal points. In Baltimore neighborhoods, custom-shaped windows often become defining features that set homes apart while enhancing overall curb appeal. Increasing natural light without compromising design. Custom windows allow homeowners to increase natural light while maintaining exterior aesthetics. Larger or strategically placed windows brighten interiors and give the exterior a more open, welcoming appearance. From the street, homes with ample natural light appear more vibrant and well-designed, a quality Baltimore homeowners appreciate. Long-term value and low-maintenance appeal. Modern custom windows are designed with durability and performance in mind. High-quality materials resist fading, warping, and weather-related wear, helping preserve curb appeal over time. For Baltimore homeowners, custom windows offer long-term beauty with minimal maintenance, protecting both appearance and investment. Boosting home value through visual impact. Strong curb appeal often translates into higher perceived home value. Custom windows signal quality, attention to detail, and thoughtful upgrades, features that attract buyers and increase confidence. In Baltimore neighborhoods, homes with custom window designs often stand out in competitive markets. A smart upgrade for Baltimore homes. Custom window designs offer a powerful way to enhance curb appeal while improving comfort and functionality. By matching architectural style, enhancing symmetry, and adding distinctive details, Baltimore homeowners can transform their home's exterior and create a lasting impression that adds beauty and value for years to come.